Okay. Can I understood this functions? Hmm? So, okay, then date functions. What date functions we covered? One is get date, date part, date name, date add, date diff. Okay. Then in string functions, I covered two, upper, lower. Okay. Upper converts string to uppercase. Lower function converts string to lowercase. Next, there is a function called len. There is a function called len function. Returns string length. String length. What is string length means? What is string length means? Number of characters. How many characters? So then len function, you pass string or you can pass column name. You can pass string or you can pass column name. You pass hello. What is hello is string. You pass e name. What is e name is column name. Okay, then example, I'll suppose example, select len of hello. Len of hello. If I say len of hello means how many characters are there in hello? What is this hidden? 5. Okay, na? It will count number of characters in hello. How many characters? 5 characters. String length, that is called length. Suppose, for example, hello what? Welcome. If I say hello welcome, then okay, how many characters? Huh? Hello 5 characters, welcome 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 space, 13. Space is also counted. Space is also counted. So total how many characters? 13 characters. Space is counted or not? Yes. Okay. Now, then suppose here, like where it is useful. Okay, where it is useful. Suppose I'm asking, I want to see employees name contains 4 characters. I want to see employees name contains 4 characters. Okay, now. So you can also write this. Tell me, you already know this. Tell me without using len function. You already know this. How to write this without using len function. Huh? Select what's it? Star. Select star. So display employees, list of employees. Name contains 4 characters. Select star. Okay, na? Select. Then don't say star here. Say what? Email. Okay, na? Suppose I'm asking like this. Display what? Employee details. Whose name contains what? 4 characters. What I'm asking to display details. Then select what's a star. If I ask you to display only the name, then select ename. Okay, na? Then so selects are from what? Selects are from EMP, but not all employees. Name contains 4 characters. How to write? You know already. You know already. Where what? Ename equal to 4. What? Name contains 4 characters means we use like operator. like operator. So with like operator, there are 2 symbols. One is percentage, another one underscore. When we use percentage, when we don't know how many characters, use percentage. When you know the number of characters, use underscore. Here I have given number of characters. How many characters? 4. Then use 4 underscores. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each underscore means each underscore is equal to 1 character. So what is this query returns? This query returns all the employees name contains 4 characters. So this is using like operator. Yes or no? Then so this is using like. Okay. Now then you already know this like operator. Ward king fort. Next, sometimes using like is difficult. Using operators is difficult. Using functions is easy. Writing the queries, writing the conditions using operators is difficult. Writing conditions using functions is easy. Like suppose I'll ask name contains 30 characters. Then name contain 30 characters. So tell me how many underscores you have to give? 30 underscores you have to give. Giving 30 underscores is difficult or not? Yes. So instead of giving 30 underscores, then we can use what's a len function. How to use len function? Select star from EMP where len of. Sir, what is this is? Length of ename. Length of what's sir? Ename equal to 4. Length equal to 4. Ename length equal to 4. How to calculate length of ename? Function is there, na? Len function. So len of what? Len function, you have to pass something. Either you have to pass string or column name. Yes. Now what we have to pass? Ename. So ename. So length of ename equals to what, sir? 4. So it goes to every name. And you know how where condition works? You know na, how where condition work? How where condition? Like where condition, it goes to 1 by 1 row, checks condition true or false. If true, selected. If false, row is not selected. It go to the first row. What the name is? Smith. What is the length of Smith? 5. Condition false. So this row is selected or not selected? Not selected. Go to the next one. What is the name is? Alan. So what is the length of Alan is? 5. Condition false. Next one, it goes to next one. What is the name? Ward. Length of ward is what? 4. Condition true. Selected. Okay na? What is selected? This ward is selected, but what is displayed in the output? In the output, what is displayed? Sir, this row is selected mass, but in the output, what is displayed? What is displayed? Because you said what? Sir, na, what it displays? Complete row. But if I say here salary, then only ward salary. Ward is selected, but what is displayed? Salary. Ward salary. If I say ename, then ename salary. If I say ename comma salary, then name and salary. But if I say star here, then all values. So now if I ask name contains 30 characters, then simple. Length of ename equal to 30. Which is simple? Like is simpler, len is simpler. Len is simple. So run this here. This gives all the names contains what? 4 characters. Sir, okay? Then one is using like, one is using len. Clear? No. Sir, okay now? Now. So don't confuse here. Then here, like there are different select from where, order by, but in from you write table name, no doubt. In from you write table name. But here, see, len function is there. But my doubt is whether I have to write it in select, you have to write it in order by, you have to write it in where clause. That is my doubt. So once again, in the output, I want to see the length. In the output, every employee name length I want to see. Then what? Sir, once again, in the output, now tell me, in this output, is it showing the length? In the output, is it showing the length? No, it's not showing. Why it is not showing? It is not showing the length. Why it is not showing the length? Because you are not selecting. You said star, na? Star means it will show length. No. Select star from EMP means what? Select all the fields from EMP table. Yes or no? So in this EMP table, length is there or not there? Not there. That's why it is not showing. Okay, now? Don't confuse boss here where you have to what. So when we have to use select, when we have to use length in where clause, like. So in the output, I want to see the length. If you want to see the length, every name length I want to see, then what? Length of a name. If you write like this, then only it will show the length. Okay, na? Now see that every name length is displayed. Smith length is 5, Allen 5, Ward 4, Martin 6. Sir, okay, na? You want to see the something in the output, you have to write it in select. Okay, now. So, sir, my condition based on length, then okay, na? My condition based on length. Okay, na? Then what? Sir, listen, I'm not asking to display the length. What I'm asking is display the employee details. Name contains 4 characters. Then display the employee details. Name contains 4 characters. I'm asking the details. I'm not asking to print in length. Then select star from EMP where what? Length of ename equals to 4. Now here you have to call the length function in what, sir? Where clause. Yes. Okay, na? Then so length equal to 4. Then it will select only the employee's name contains what, sir? 4 characters. Okay. Then suppose I'll ask sort the data based on lengthwise. Sort the employee data based on length. Then sort based on lengthwise. Then what? Order by length of what? E-name. Order by length of E-name. Now sorting is not based on E-name. Sorting is based on length. Which names are displayed first? Which names are displayed first? Ascending means lowest length to highest length. So some names are 4 characters. First it will show 4 characters. Next it will show 5. Next it will show 6. See that. Run this query. First it is showing 4. Next it is showing 5. Next it is showing 6. Sir, okay na? Understood? Then you want to see the length, then in the output you want to see the length, then select what, sir? Ename length of what, sir? Ename. Then so now it will show the length also. Sir, understood? Then if you want to see, then select it. Okay na? Then not all, only name contains 4 characters. Then what? Where len of ename equals to 4, and sort the output based on length wise. Then order by length. Okay na? Then length greater than 4, otherwise length greater than 4. So greater than 4 means length 5, length 6, like that. Length 5, length 6, 5, 6. Okay. That. Sir, be clear. Okay. Don't confuse between select, where, order by, like that. Okay, then. Next one. There is a function called left and right. There is a function called left to right. Okay. Then what is this left function, right function? Left function string comma length, string comma length, ne length. So now this function used to extract characters from left side. Right function string comma len used to extract characters from right. String length used to extract characters from left side. Right string length used to extract characters from right side. One is to extract from left side, another one to extract from right side. Okay, then so select what? Select left of. Select left of. Okay, then so you can pass string or you can pass column name. Hello, welcome, comma 5. What is the meaning? String of hello, welcome, comma 5 means returns 5 characters starting from left side. Starting from left side returns 5 characters. Left side means starting from H. How many characters? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What it returns? Hello. Okay. Then. So string is hello, welcome, but returns 5 characters from left side. Okay. Then if you say 3, HEL. If you say 4, HELL. Next. So then similarly, suppose I'm using what? Right function. Say 7. What the meaning is? 7 characters starting from right side. 7 characters from right side. Right side 7 characters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then what it returns? Welcome. 7 characters from right side. Okay, then, but it will not return EMOCLEW. Okay, na? It returns what? Welcome only. Okay, no. So then, clear? No. So suppose here, once again, but you already written this. Like, I want to see display employees. Okay, na? A name starts with S. I want to see the employee's name starts with S. How? You already written this. You already written this using like what? How you write? Select start from EMP where E name like what? S percentage. S what? Percentage. Okay, na? Then this is using like operator. But tell me using function. Okay, na? Then once again, sir, here like how to use using function. This is using like, but sometimes using like is difficult. Using function is easy. I'll take the example also. Okay, na? Where name starts with S means what is the meaning? Sir, first character equal to S. Yes, first character equal to S. How to get the first character from E name? First character equal to S. How to get the first character? How to get this first character, boss? Left of 1. Left of what's it? First character from name. What? Left of? Left of? Left of from where? E name. From E name. What do you want? First character. What is? 1. So what is this returns? From E name, it will return first character. Yes or no? Sir, here allow comma 5 means what? Returns 5 characters. E name comma 1 means first character from E name. Okay, then so it go to first one. What the name is? Smith. Name is Smith. So from Smith it will return, it will take first character. What is the first character? Yes. Condition true now false? True. Selected. Next it go to Allen. It will from Allen it will take first character. What is this? Is A. A equal to S. Condition false. Not selected. Okay. Then so there are two ways. One is using like, one is using left. So then what is this gives? There are two employees name starts with yes. Okay, na? Then sir, okay. Either you can use like or you can use left. Like if I ask name ends with S, name ends with S, then I want to select only the employee's name ends with S. Then E name like what? Like ends with S. Last character is S. Percentage what? Yes. Percentages. Percentages means name ends with S. Okay, na? That. So tell me using function. Tell me using the function. Last character. Last character equal to S. How to get the last character? Right function. Right of what, sir? E name comma 1. Okay, na? Then E name comma 1 equal to S. Name ends with S. Name starts with S, your name ends with S. So there are two ways, one using like, one using left, right. Okay, now. So let me run this here. Then see, there are three names ends with what, sir? Yes, Jones, Adams, James. Yes, last character equal to yes. From name, you are selecting last character. Okay, then. So sometimes what I said, like is difficult, but left and right functions is what's that? Easy. Yes. Let's take one example where like is difficult. Like suppose here, name starts and ends with same character. Name starts and ends with same character. Oh. First tell me using like. Name starts and ends with same character. I want to display the employees where name starts and ends with same character. Then where e-name like what? E-name like what? S percentage? Yes. But I didn't say SC yet. Yes or no? In query, in question, here I said ends with S. Here I said starts with S. But here what I said same character, but I didn't say S. Yes or no? It can be A. It can be B. It can be C. It can be D. Like I want David. Starts with D, ends with D. I want Nitin. Starts with N, ends with N. Then I want all that names. Then tell me using like. Tell me using like. You have to write like this. Underscore percentage underscore. What is the guarantee that this underscore equal? Underscore means one character. You okay na? Then understood. So if you use like operator, you have to write like this: a percentage what, sir? A percentage A, or e name like what? E name like B percentage what, sir? B, or e name like C percentage C. How many conditions you have to write? Huh? How many conditions you have to write? 26 conditions you have to write. For every alphabet, you have to write one separate condition. Total, how many conditions you have to write? 26. Difficult or not? Yes. So then if we use function, select star from EMP, where name starts and ends with same character means first character equal to what, sir? Last character. Tell me how to get the first character. How to get the first character? Left of ename comma 1. How to get the last character? Right of ename comma 1. That's all. Simple now. So if you use function, it is simple. But if we use like operator, it is difficult. Okay, then now let's see this. But no output. Why no output? Why no output means? Don't think that your query is wrong. Your query is right, but there is no data in the table satisfying this condition. Okay, na? No data in the table satisfy this condition. Clear? Then you want to test your query is working or not. Then what you do? You want to test, insert some data, but just for testing purpose, insert one row. You insert the row. How to insert the row? Insert into EMP, EMPNBO, E-name, salary. Next one. Huh? Like, I don't want to just for testing now. Just I'm inserting values into only 3 fields. Actual table contains how many fields? 8 fields. Table contains 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But just for testing, I'm inserting values into only 3 fields. Okay. Then, so, sir, if you write command like this, then SQL server expect values for how many fields? You write command like this, boss. SQL server expect values for how many fields? 8 fields. But I don't want to give the values for 8 fields. I want to give the values only for number, name, salary. Then what? Type the field names. What that is? EMPNBO, e-name, salary. Now SQL server, it will not expect values for all the 8 fields. It will expect values only for 3 fields. So when we use this syntax, we use this syntax when you want to insert the values into specific fields, not into all the fields, into specific fields. So that case you mention the field names. That means you are telling SQL server, I'm giving the value for employee number, name, salary. What is the employee number? Something, some 999. Next one, what the name is? Name is some name, Nitin. What is the salary? 4,000. Okay, then execute this command. One row affected, one row affected. Then what is this is? See the table, select star from EMP. So what is this query? So here, Nitin is inserted or not? Yes, a separate row is created. Actual table contains how many rows? 14 rows. Now one more row is created, 15th row. Okay, then, but now run this query. This gives what? All the employees name starts and ends with what's that? Same character. Nitin is selected or not? Yes. Sir, okay, then. First 3 characters, last 3 characters should be same. Then first 3, last 3 should be same. Then what? Ename comma 3 equals to right of ename comma 3. Sir, okay na? Okay then. Next. Like I'll take one more scenario. Next we go to the next one. Suppose, for example, so what they want is they're asking to generate what? Generate email IDs for employees. So generate the email IDs for employees. I want to generate email IDs. When you join, so when you join in a company, they generate one email ID. For every new employee, they generate one email ID. So suppose here, just I'm taking my own example. So I want to generate email ID like this. Okay. What the employee number is 7369. Name is what, sir? Smith. I want email ID to be like this. SMI 736 @ So company name. Okay, na? Then. So it's not Gmail ID. Yes, company mail ID. So suppose company is Microsoft, then what? Microsoft.com. Next one, 7499. So Allen, ALL 749 at the rate what's that? Microsoft.com, like this. So I want to generate email IDs like this. No? Then what is SMI? First three characters from name. What is 736? First three digits from employee number. First three characters from name, first three digits from number, and these two should be concatenated. Both should be concatenated. What is the symbol for concatenation in SQL server? What symbol we use for concatenation? What operator? Plus. Plus is the symbol for concatenation. Yes or no? Okay, na? Then. So like we discussed, A plus B means what? What this gives? AB. AB are concatenated. So this is the output I want. Okay, na? So it's not there in the table. I want to generate the email IDs. I want to generate email IDs like this. Oh, then how to write a query? What? How to write the query? I want to display, boss. First, I want to display the email IDs. And then what? Select number, name. Next one, email ID. What? How to get SMI, boss? SMI, first three characters of name should be concatenated with the first three digits of employee number. How to get the first three characters of name? Left of ename, comma 3 plus means concatenation, not addition, concatenation. Next, first three digits from employee number. Then what? Left of what's it? EMP NBO, comma 3. First three digits of employee number. Yes or no? Okay, no? Then what is this redundancy? This redundancy 736. What is this redundancy? SMI. SMI is concatenated with 736. This whole thing should be concatenated with what? This whole thing should be concatenated with Microsoft.com. Then again plus at the rate what? Microsoft.com. This whole thing should be concatenated with Microsoft as like what? As email ID from what? EMP. So what this query gives? This query gives each and every employee's email ID. Okay, now then. So run this. So this will generate what? Email IDs. Okay, email IDs. So generated email IDs for every employee. Yes or no? Okay, na? Then But what it is displaying the email IDs. Now this email IDs are added to the table. Email IDs are added to the table. No, what we are doing, we are only displaying. Only in this query we are showing the email IDs. But original table is what, sir? Original table is same. Table is same. But what is my requirement is they're asking store email IDs in database. Then store email IDs in database. No. Sir, one second. Commit comes into the picture after inserting, after updating, after deleting. Okay, na? When commit comes into the picture, when you make any changes, then we have to save. Select is not making the changes. Select is displaying, reading. You're not making any changes. When you're not making any changes, there is no need of commit. Okay, na? Then what? Store email IDs in database. If we want to store something in table there should be a column. We want to store something in database. To store something in table there must be a column. If column is there, we can store. Without column, you cannot store. So tell me what is the step one? First step, add what, sir? Email ID column to EMP table. First thing, you have to add the column. Without adding the column, you cannot store the email IDs. Yes. How to add the column? Alter table EMP. What, sir? Add what? Email ID varchar of 30. Then this is the first step. So first see this. First see this. 1 second. Execute this command. Email ID column is what, sir? Added. Command successful. Now see the table. Select star from what? EMP. See the table. Select star from EMP. So see this. Column is added or not? Yes. But at present this column is filled with what, sir? Null values. I want to insert the data into this column. Then update command. Now update. Not directly update. First add the column. Next update. Okay. Then what is the step 2? What is the step 2? Update the column with what, sir? Email IDs. Then tell me how to update the column with email IDs. Update EMP set. Set what? Email ID equals to. You already know, na? First 3 characters of name. Then left of ename comma 3 plus left of emp envo comma 3 plus at the rate what, sir? Microsoft.com. That's all. You want to update all the employees or specific employees? All the employees email IDs you want to update only particular employee. All the employees. Where condition is required or not required? Not required. That's all. Okay, now then. So now let's see here, execute this, and what's that? 15 rows what updated, which 15 rows updated. Now see the table, select start from EMP. So updated or not? Yes, updated. Okay, na? Understood? But after update, you have to commit. After update, you have to commit, but it automatically it runs in auto commit. Once in when it runs in auto commit, then we need to execute commit or not required, because it's auto commit. Okay, now then that's all. So this is like you want to store here. What is the difference between this and this? What is the difference between this select and this? What is the difference between this command and these commands? Here what? Only displaying email IDs, but here what? Storing email IDs in database. You want to store something in database, first add the column, update the column. Okay. Next one is there, replicate. There are two more, replicate, replace, translate. That's all. Replicate. Replicate. And the replicate is for replicate, repeats character for repeats given character, sorry, repeats given character for given number of times. NO means number of times. Repeats given character for given number of times. Okay, then replicate what's her character plus what? Length. Replicate character length. So different functions useful in different scenarios. Okay, then replicate character length. Okay, now for example, select what? Replicate star comma 5. What is the meaning? Star is repeated 5 times. Then how many stars it will show? 5 stars. The character star is repeated 5 times. If I give 10 here, 10 stars. Okay, na? Then if I give 10 stars, 5 stars. Okay, then so if I give 10 here, then what's that? 10 stars. Now, so where it is useful? Then okay, na? Where it is useful? Like for example, suppose I want to show name, salary, but don't show the salaries. Okay, na? But in my output, I want to show the salaries, but don't show the actual salaries. I want to show stars. How many stars I want to show depends on salaries. You see the salary once again. Rename salary from EMP. You see the salary. What is the salary? 800.00. How many stars you want to show? 6. Dot is there now. Dot is also 1. Total how many stars you want to show? 6. 1600.00. How many stars you want to show? 7. Okay, na? This is 6 now. 6 characters. Okay, na? 6 stars. 7 stars, like that. So I want to show stars here. How many stars depends on what's that? Salary length. Salary length. Then how? Because like in my output, others should not see they should not know the salaries of employees. That's why I want to print stars. I want to hide. Then what? Select what's that? E-name. Then not salary. Don't say salary. Select what? Stars. I want to show stars. Then replicate. Replicate what? Star. How many? 6, 5. Depends here. Year 6, year 7. Okay, na? So 50,000.00. Salary is 50,000.00. Then 8. Yes or no? Then length of salary. What this is? Length of salary. Then from what? 1 second. From EMP. First one, what is the salary set? 800.00. What is the length? What is the length of this? 6 star comma 6. Then 6 stars. Next 1600.00. What is the length? 7 star comma 7. 7 stars. Okay. Now it will not show actual salaries. It will show what? Stars. Depends on the length. See this. So it is showing stars. But I don't want to show this heading. I want to change this heading to salary. Then what? As salary. As salary. Then it will show salary. Okay. That's it. Like you take passwords. Password. I don't want to show the password. I want to show stars. Then. So that case you can use this. Okay, then. Now. Just here, 1 second. Like suppose, for example, there is a table. What the table is? Bank accounts table. Table accounts table. In that the store what's that? Account number, balance, like that. Account numbers contains how many digits? 12 digits, 13, depends bank to bank. Let's take 12 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like 9, 9 plus 3. What? Total how many digits? 12 digits. Okay, na? This is account number. This is balance, like that. You go to ATM, you withdraw some amount. After withdrawing the amount, you receive SMS. In that SMS, you receive your account number. What's that? Your account number XXX 95. What's that? 67 9567. Debited what? Debited some amount. Like, okay, na? You receive the SMS like this, yes or no? I want like account number to be like this, but for security purpose they show last four digits, but remaining what's that, x, but how many x, 4x. They don't show like 8x, they show only 4x and the next last four digits of account number. So how to generate the account number like this? I want account number to be like this. Hmm? What? 4x. 4x should be concatenated with the last four digits of account number. That's all. First, you have to get that logic. Then you can able to try. What this is? 4x should be concatenated with the last four digits of account number. First, generate 4x. Next, get last four digits, concatenate. How to generate 4x? Replicate bars. Replicate what? Replicate x comma 4. What this gives? 4x. Concatenate this 4x with last four digits of account number. How to get the last four digits of account number? Right of 4. That's all. That's all. 4x concatenated with the last four digits of account number. Okay, then now then suppose there is a call credit card number is there. Okay, na? What this is? Credit card number. Credit card number is how many digits? Credit card, debit card number 16 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 9, 0, 1, 2. Next one 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, na? Just this is the credit card number. After doing the transaction, I want output to be like this. You tell me 1 2 xxx 1 2 xxx like 3 4 5 6 last four digits. Tell me how. 4x first 12 4x 3 4 5 6 left of credit card number comma 2 plus replicate x comma 4 plus right of credit card number comma 4. That's all. Okay, na? If you want to try, then create one table, store and write the queries. Okay, next. Then that's all. This is what replicate, how replicate is useful. Next. Next one. Oh, what the next one is, there is a call, what's that? Replace is there. Just there are two more, replace and translate. Replace. Function user to replace one string with another string. Use it to replace one string with another string. What the syntax is, replace what? String, string 1, string 2, string 3. Replace string 1, string 2, string 3. Replace string 1, string 2, string 3. So this function is used to what? Okay, replace one string with another string. Then example, select what? Replace of, okay, replace of, for example, hello ELL, next one ABC. What is the meaning of this? String is hello. In this hello, I want to replace ELL with what? ABC. After replacing EL with ABC, what the output will get? H what's it? Wherever it finds ELL, ELL is replaced with what? ABC. HABCO. HABCO. ELL will be replaced with ABC. Okay, then. Okay, now? Now, replacing one string with what? Another string. For example, I'll give L comma ABC, then L comma ABC. What is the meaning? Wherever L is there, L is replaced with ABC. What is the output? HE, first L. This L is replaced with what? ABC. Next L is also replaced with ABC. Next what's that? O. Wherever L is there, L is replaced with ABC. The first L is replaced with ABC. Second L is also replaced with ABC. Replacing one string with another string. Okay, now then ELL with null, then ELL with null. Wherever ELL is there, ELL is replaced with null. Then what is the output? HO. HO. This is replaced with what? Replaced with null. Open single quotes close means null. It's not space. Open single quotes and close. Not space. Then. And for example, like I'm just giving the different cases. ELO, ABC. Then what? ELO, ABC. H. First of all, ELY is there or not there? String ELY is there or not there? Not there. ELLY is there. ELY is not there. Not there, not replace. If it is there, replace it. If it is not there, not replace it. What the output is? Hello only. String ELY is not there, boss. When ELY is not there, then it is not replaced. Sir, okay na? Then. So then let's see here. What all these are, what we are manipulating, what's are strings. ELY is not there. ELL, then ELL is there or not? Yes. Then replace it with what, sir? ABC. L replaced with what? ABC. Okay, na? Then next one. ELL is replaced with what, sir? Null. Then what? HO. Okay, na? Then now there is a call. What? 1 second. There is a call translate. So it is also similar, but let's see the difference here. Then there is a call translate. Replace and translate, like similar. Use it to translate one character to another character. Use it to translate one character to another character. Translate is also same. So take so many? 3. String 1, string 2, string 3. Okay, na? So translate is also same. String 1, string 2. Suppose hello. For example, hello. Next one, ELO. Next one, ABC. But what is the difference? Replace and translate. Replace is string to string. Translate is character to character. Replace is what, sir? String to string. But translate is what? Character to character. One character is translated to another character. Suppose in this example, E translated to A, L translated to B, O translated to C. That's all. E to A, L to B, O to C. Now tell me what is the first one? H. Are you translating H? Are you translating H? No. Next one, E. Are you translating E? Yes, E is translated to A. What is the next one? L. Are you translating L? Yes, L is translated to B. Next one, L. Again L. L is already translated to B. What is the next one? O. O translated to C. That's all. So difference is replace is string to string, but translate is what? Characters. Character to one character to another character. Okay, then next year, like how translate function is useful. Okay, then so translate function use it to translate function use it to encrypt data. translate function used to encrypt data. They're mainly used for data encryption. What is encryption means? What is this encryption means? That is, encryption means what? Encryption means converting what, sir? Plain text to ciphertext. Okay, converting plain text to ciphertext. What that is called? Encryption. Okay, now usually what are encrypted is passwords are encrypted. Okay, now passwords are encrypted, pin numbers are encrypted. Okay, then suppose you create one net banking password, but that password is not as it is stored in what database. Before storing that password in database, that password is what, sir? Encrypted. Okay, na? And your pin numbers are also what, sir? Encrypted. So like one of the facilities, what? Translate function. Using this function we can do this encrypt, but we don't have pin numbers and passwords. Like we have what's our salary. I'll encrypt the salary, but logic is same. Okay, na? Then example, I want to encrypt salaries. Suppose name, next one salary. Name, salary, plain text. Plain text means plain text to ciphertext. What is plain text means? This is plain text. What this is? This is one plain text. Ciphertext means the text which you cannot understand. That is called ciphertext. Ciphertext means the text which you cannot understand. That is called ciphertext. This text you can understand, no? Yes or no? But ciphertext means the text which you cannot understand. That is called ciphertext. Okay, so converting understandable text to non-understandable text. So okay, then understood, na? Then so here, like, let's see what this is. Translate. Then what do you want to translate? Salary. I want to translate salary, but salary contains how many digits? Salary contains digits. Digits ranges from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So salary contains digits, but the digits ranges from 0 to 9. I want to translate 0 to, suppose what, sir? I want to translate 0 to dollar. I want to translate 0 to dollar. I want to translate, suppose 1 to, suppose K, small k. I want to translate 2 to, suppose capital Q. I want to translate 3 to, okay, na? Suppose star. And translate 4 to, suppose capital small j. And 4 to j. 5 to, okay, na? Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 to, suppose something cap. And 6 to, suppose capital B. And 7 to hash. 8 to at the rate. 9 to percentage. Okay, na? Then as what? Salary. From what? EMP. So salaries contains these digits. These digits are converted into these characters. Okay, now then. So assume one of the employees' salary is 2975. One employee's salary is 297500. Tell me what is the output. One employee's salary is 297500. Then 2 is translated to what, sir? Q. Q, capital Q. 9 is translated to percentage. 7 is translated to ash. 5 is translated to kappa. Cap. Yes. Next one. Dot. We are not translating dot. When you are not translating, dot is written as it is. If you translate dot also, then like dot, what you have to include here? Dot. Okay, na? But I'm not given dot. If I not given dot, then dot is not translated. Then dot is written as it is. What is the next one? Zero, dollar, dollar. Okay, na? That's all. So run this query. Then Jones' salary is 2975. Jones' salary is 2975. Q percentage ash cap dot 00 dollar dollar. Okay, na? Then what is this is called? This is called ciphertext. 2975 is what, sir? 2975.00 is plain text. What is this is called? Ciphertext. Converting plain text to ciphertext. That is called encryption. So we can use translate function to do this encryption. So okay, na? That's all. So this is like replace and translate, and this is string functions. Next we'll cover another function in the next class.
సార్ ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తే అది అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. మీకు ఇది రాసేటప్పుడు మీకు అవుట్పుట్ ఏం కావాలి అవుట్పుట్ లో చూడాలి. ట్రాన్స్లేట్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. రాసినట్టు మీకు అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది.